Carus is a nationwide painting and maintenance company built around caring for our customers, their properties and their communities. Providing services such as painting, building maintenance and chemical washing to ensure we are supporting the future life of our customers' assets. Here at Carus, we pride ourselves on providing our clients with honest, personalised solutions to suit their individual needs and ensure that issues such as age, wear and tear and the elements are considered. We offer a diverse range of services to suit any project, from one-off repaint work through to tailor-made maintenance solutions. By choosing a structured maintenance solution, you can protect the longevity of your asset and ensure your brand image stays looking fresh for longer. Carus designs schedules that are flexible to fit in with your budget to best suit the building's or asset's needs. We can offer a range of financial support packages to best assist clients to plan with confidence. The length of your solution is flexible and has the ability to offer protection for the life of the coatings and your asset management plans, ranging anywhere from 1 to 12 years. If you have a major refurbishment to undertake, we can offer financial solutions that allow for the bulk of the work to be done immediately, with payments being evenly distributed over the entire length of the maintenance solution. If you would rather pay for work as it is completed, we can arrange a pay-as-you-go maintenance solution to suit your needs. Work is done where and when you need it, allowing you to adjust payments and workload according to your budget. Our preventative maintenance solution is perfect for those clients who want to maintain the presentation of their building from the onset. Regular payments are made across a period of time to ensure your building is covered should any unexpected maintenance need to take place. Our team can work during school holidays, weekends and after hours to suit clients' needs. Carus have worked throughout the country on numerous projects, varying from large-scale commercial buildings to government institutions and schools, and we have extensive knowledge of our sector. At Carus, our work ethic and morals are built around our core values, our purpose and brand promise. We can guarantee that if you choose Carus to care for your assets, you will not be disappointed. After all, Carus is the Latin word for cherish, and we cherish your properties and your business. To find out more, please visit www.carus.co.nz or call 0800 453 628 to speak to a representative.